Pula jom kita main guys. Guys, jom kita main game apa? Malaysia team. Malaysia lawan siapa guys? Alah, Malaysia asyik lawan Iran je. Tak ada lawan lain ke? Macam mana ni? Rezeki kita lah guys. Let's go guys. Kita start guys. Start. Kita jom. Tunggu. Okay guys.
And this is the starting 11.
Yo, start. Go. Come on. Let's go. Fasa Halim. Apa? Nama dia pula. Nama. Alah hai. Mana aja main? Sana. You must kiss the ball.
What a good pass that is.
Let's go guys. Bang. Alah. Aku nak balik jalan lagi. Walau offside lagi. No. Guys. Tadi. Basi guys. Kita basi guys. Wih, pemain nombor 7 ah.
Both teams showing positive intent.
Hey guys. Kini. Okay, ni dah tak itu.
There goes the ball.
Let's go.
Good play, one-on-one. Position at the back post.
Ya. Faisal Halim. Cepat Faisal Halim. Kau boleh.
Forward
Setuju.
long
Kau
pass.
boleh. Mak Cuka boleh. Kau boleh Mak Cuka. Kau boleh. Mak Cuka boleh.
Nice long ball.
Sini.
Good ball
Okay,
movement
hari
and
ni
a
kita
decent
wait.
position here.
Okay. Go. Cepat Faisal Halim. Kau
Position
boleh.
at the back post.
Tadi. So guys, hari ni kita relax dulu guys.
Forward
Alah,
long pass.
salah orang. Sorry guys, salah orang. Saya nak pasal ni guys.
Keeping possession now.
Guys.
Here's the delivery. Oh, great vision. Beautiful footwork.
Alah, tak kena.
Pressure forced the error.
Sikit lagi.
Oh dear, looks like the shooter left shooting boots behind.
Yeah bro, I know. Kita ni lah.
The score is now 1-0. Keeping possession nicely. Position at the back post.
Guys.
Fails to keep the ball. Seeking out a passing lane. Losing possession. Play it long.
Let's go guys.
Fails to keep the ball.
Guys, sige guys.
Beautiful long pass.
Go guys. Go. Kita hebat. Fagil hidung ni hebat guys. Fagil hidung. Pium. Macam jatuh. Okay guys, kita main pula. Again. Alah.
Fails to keep the
Go.
ball.
Go guys. Go.
Looking for options.
Kimi now. Sana. Dia kesuruhan. Okay, Faisal Ali guys. Faisal, kau boleh.
Forward.
Alah, sikit lagi. Lambat lah.
Here's the delivery.
Oh!
Ball is in the net. Crowd
Dahsyat.
will have gone crazy, and quite rightly so.
Yo
What
guys,
a
tengok ni
finish
guys,
that
hebat guys.
is.
Hebat kan guys? Hebat kan? Ni guys, kira aku ni guys. Tengok ni. Shoo. Dahsyat.
There goes the ball.
Dia
The
main
first
next game pula,
half of
guys.
the match is over.
Ting.
The two teams have swapped sides, and we are now ready for the second half.
Guys. Fokus.
Fails to keep the ball.
Okay guys, fokus.
Fails to keep the ball.
So guys, anyway. Mr.
A chance.
Yeah bro.
Goal.
Wow. Mak Cuka. Kenapa nama dia Mak Cuka? Korang boleh beritahu tak kenapa nama dia Mak Cuka kalau korang tahulah. Okey, kalau korang tahulah, tak tahu tak apa, tanya je. So guys, macam ni guys. Tendangan yang laju. Shoot. Dahsyat lah. Again. Okay, guys.
Fails to keep the ball.
Okay guys, hari ni kita main. Tenang.
Long pass.
So guys. Tolong guys, kita guys. Cepat. Kita boleh kira.
Losing possession.
Ayah mak, guys, tolong betul. Ketemu guys.
One-on-one.
Guys, cuba guys. Cubang. Kau boleh. Alah. Tifakul lihat guys.
Fails to keep the ball.
Guys.
2/3 through. Players showing signs of fatigue.
Lama guys.
Knocks it towards to the front. Losing possession.
Yes.
Looking for options.
Okay. Sabar.
Forward long pass. Oh, they lose possession now.
So guys. Okay,
Steps up to steal the ball.
Sikit. Oh,
Beautiful long pass.
This is for long pass. Okay guys. Tunggu jap.
A very timely
Salah
interception.
balik pula. Okay. Okay, sabar.
Long pass. That's a splendid
Main
clearance.
banding je. Aku tak tahu kenapa.
Able to hang on the ball. That's a good pressing.
Alah, kenapa? Bisa.
Might be able to get in behind the defence.
Sorry guys, jangan aku guys.
Good
Yes.
ball movement in a decent position here. Forward long pass. Denied by the
Alah, tak
keeper.
ini, guys.
Impressive.
Okay, holo kotor.
Fails to keep the ball. Here's the delivery. Nice
Entah
one.
dah.
Hit the
Alah.
post.
Guys.
Losing possession.
Okay guys, lagi.
Play it long. Losing possession. Referee
Alah,
has blown
guys.
the whistle. And we have
Okay,
a
bye korang.
final
So
score.
korang jangan lupa like, subscribe kalau suka video. Kalau tak suka video, tak perlu like, subscribe. Okay, bye.